Today's word is cup. Cup. A cup is something you drink from. Repeat after me. Cup. This is my cup. Repeat. This is my cup. I drink coffee from a cup. Repeat. I drink coffee from a cup. 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 Today's word is key. Key. A key opens a door or a lock. Repeat after me. Key. This is my key. Repeat. This is my key. I need my key to open the door. Repeat. I need my key to open the door. Key. 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 Today's word is book. Book. A book has pages and words. You read it. Repeat after me. Book. This is a book. Repeat. This is a book. I read a book every night. Repeat. I read a book every night. Book. 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 Today's word is bag. Bag. A bag is something you carry things in. Repeat after me. Bag. This is my bag. Repeat. This is my bag. I put my things in my bag. Repeat. I put my things in my bag. 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 Today's word is phone. Phone. A phone is something you use to call and message people. Repeat after me. Phone. This is my phone. Repeat. This is my phone. I use my phone every day. Repeat. I use my phone every day. Phone. 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 Today's word is water. Water. Water is a liquid. You drink it every day. Repeat after me. Water. I need water. Repeat. I need water. This is a glass of water. Repeat. This is a glass of water. 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 Today's word is pen. Pen. A pen is something you write with. Repeat after me. Pen. This is a pen. Repeat. This is a pen. I write with a pen. Repeat. I write with a pen. 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 Today's word is apple. Apple. An apple is a fruit. You eat it. Repeat after me. Apple. This is an apple. Repeat. This is an apple. I eat an apple every day. Repeat. I eat an apple every day. Apple. 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 Today's word is bottle. Bottle. A bottle holds liquid. You drink from it. Repeat after me. Bottle. This is a bottle. Repeat. This is a bottle. I have a bottle of water. Repeat. I have a bottle of water. Bottle. 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 Today's word is coin. Coin. A coin is money. It is small and round. Repeat after me. Coin. This is a coin. Repeat. This is a coin. I have a coin in my hand. Repeat. I have a coin in my hand. Coin. 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 Today's word is flower. Flower. A flower is a plant. It is often beautiful and colorful. Repeat after me. Flower. This is a flower. Repeat. This is a flower. I have a flower for you. Repeat. I have a flower for you. Flower. 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 Today's word is glasses. Glasses. Glasses help you see better. You wear them on your face. Repeat after me. Glasses. These are my glasses. Repeat. These are my glasses. I need my glasses to read. Repeat. I need my glasses to read. Glasses. 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 Today's word is hat. Hat. A hat is something you wear on your head. Repeat after me. Hat. This is a hat. Repeat. This is a hat. I wear a hat when it is cold. Repeat. I wear a hat when it is cold. Hat. 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 Today's word is knife. Knife. A knife is a tool. You use it to cut food. Repeat after me. Knife. This is a knife. Repeat. This is a knife. I use a knife to cut my food. Repeat. I use a knife to cut my food. Knife. 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 Today's word is letter. Letter. A letter is a written message. You send it to someone. Repeat after me. Letter. This is a letter. Repeat. This is a letter. I wrote a letter to my friend. Repeat. I wrote a letter to my friend. Letter. 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 Today's word is money. Money. Money is what you use to buy things. Repeat after me. Money. This is money. Repeat. This is money. I need money to buy food. Repeat. I need money to buy food. Money. 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 Today's word is orange. Orange. An orange is a fruit. It is round and sweet. Repeat after me. Orange. This is an orange. Repeat. This is an orange. I drink orange juice every morning. Repeat. I drink orange juice every morning. Orange. 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 Today's word is scarf. Scarf. A scarf is something you wear around your neck. It keeps you warm. Repeat after me. Scarf. This is a scarf. Repeat. This is a scarf. I wear a scarf in winter. Repeat. I wear a scarf in winter. Scarf. 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 Today's word is plate. Plate. A plate is something you put food on. Repeat after me. Plate. This is a plate. Repeat. This is a plate. I put my food on a plate. Repeat. I put my food on a plate. 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 Today's word is ticket. Ticket. A ticket lets you enter a place or use a service. Repeat after me. Ticket. This is a ticket. Repeat. This is a ticket. I have a ticket for the train. Repeat. I have a ticket for the train. Ticket. 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 Today's word is umbrella. Umbrella. An umbrella keeps you dry when it rains. Repeat after me. Umbrella. This is my umbrella. Repeat. This is my umbrella. I use my umbrella when it rains. Repeat. I use my umbrella when it rains. Umbrella. 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 Today's word is wallet. Wallet. A wallet is something you keep your money and cards in. Repeat after me. Wallet. This is my wallet. Repeat. This is my wallet. I keep my money in my wallet. Repeat. I keep my money in my wallet. 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 Wallet.